Today we can study exercise 14.4 question number 3. This is the last question from this chapter. The following table gives production of yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms of a village. Total 100 farms. Production yield 50 to 55 kg. Number of farms 2, then 55 to 60 kg 8 farms. Like that one data given in here. We have to draw more than or give. That is our question. We have to draw more than or give. For that, first draw one table. More than. When you draw more than or give, that time we will use lower limit. More than 50. Use only lower limit. For less than or give, we will use upper limit. For more than or give, we will use lower limit. Then more than 50. More than 50 means this all the numbers will included. This 2, 8, 12, everything will included. Then already given in question total number of farms, that is 100, isn't it? Then we can write that 100 first. Then next, more than. Second class interval, that is 55 to 60. Use lower limit, more than 55. First write 100. Then when you consider more than 55 means this 2 not included, isn't it? That means out of 100, this 2 not included means just subtract from 100. 100 minus 2, 98. More than 60. More than 60 means 98. Out of 98, this 8, this part not included. Then subtract this 8 also. Minus 8 equal to 90. The next, more than 65. Next interval is 65 to 70. Lower limit is 65. Then 90 minus this term. Equal to 90 minus 12. How much? 78. Isn't it? The next, more than. Next interval 70 to 75 means we can use 70. 78 minus this 24. What will get? 78 minus 24. We can do 78 minus 24. 4, 5, 54. Next, more than. 75 to 80 means we will use 75. 54 minus 38 equal to 54 minus 38 minus 38 6 1 16. One more column we need, that is words to be plotted. $50 and 100. Ordered pair 50, 100. The next 55 and 98. Then 60, 90. 65, 78. Then 70, 54. Then 75, 16. This is our table. Using by these points, we can draw more than or give. y dash, x dash, x. Then x axis representing production yield. Then y axis representing number of farms. In here 50, 55 like that only. You start 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75 up to 75. Then up to 100 is there. Second number, that is we can use 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Check it in x-axis 0 to 50, then after 50 to 55, 5 increase, then 55 to 60, again 5 increase. That means in here starting place, that is 0 to 50, directly we return 50. That's why we cannot use straight line. Use this symbol. Then 50, 100. On x value is 50, then y value is 100. 50 and 100. This point, 50, 100. The next 55, 98. 55, 98. 55 and 98. This one. Then 60 and 90. 60 and 90. You can see in here 60 and 90 joining point. The next 65, 78. 65, then 78. In here nearby 80, isn't it? Then 70, 54. 70, this one, 54 in here. Okay. Then last 75, 16. This is 75. 16 means nearby 20. In between 10 and 20. It's like 75, 16. Now we got all the points. Join that, all the points. This is our more than or give. We can write scale also. Scale on x-axis 1 centimeter. On x-axis how much increasing? 50 to 55. 5, isn't it? Then 55 to 60, again 5. Then 60 to 65. 5, 5, 5 increase. That means 1 centimeter we can write 5 units on x-axis. Then on y-axis, what about y-axis? 10, 20, 30, 40, like that means 10, 10 increase, isn't it? That means 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. Why I use in here 1 centimeter means in your graph notebook, the distance between two small lines, that will be 1 centimeter. In here also 1 centimeter. This part also 1 centimeter, like that. This is our more than or give graph. Now we can see summary of this chapter. In this chapter we have studied mean, mode, median and ogive. First one is mean. 3 type method we have studied. Direct method. This is the formula for direct method. Next, assumed mean method. You can see in here that is a formula for assumed method. Next, step deviation method. This is the formula for step deviation method. In here, ui means xi minus a divided by h. A is assumed mean, h equal to class width. Next is mode. For mode also, we are use one formula. This is the formula. Next is median. Median L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. L means lower limit of median class. N is number of observation, that is sum of frequency. Then remaining frequency of median class and class width. Then two graph we have studied, ogive less than ogive. You can see the graph, this shape. Then more than ogive, that graph also you can see in here. Thank you.